This is the part 2 video of me cleaning my um, Country Air C22 box fan. Um, but sadly, um, my camera died. That's why um, um, the camera stopped. So now I'm using my mom's um, phone to record this video. But um, the blade was a pain in the ass to get off. Um, the screw that was holding on the fan blade, um, the the screw was actually seized, so I had to grab my dad um, so he could actually get some WD 40 to squirt on the nut for the fan blade. But after he squirted some WD 40 on the nut, it actually broke loose. So I could finally take off the fan blade. And that was pretty exciting to um, to take off the fan blade. So now I brought my Dirt Devil Ultra Vacuum that I bought from Salvation Army last month from the Salvation Army because we needed a new hand vacuum for our house. So I found this at the Salvation Army. So I'm gonna start um, cleaning the motor to get off all of the big the big dust parts off of the motor. So I'm gonna be turning on the vacuum right now. So I did actually get some of the large um, dirt off of the front of the motor, but I have to use some of the baby wipes for the rest. that's what I'm gonna be doing right now. And it's a lot of stuck on dirt. I may actually need to go grab the like the Clorox wipes that I have. They're unbranded from the car. Because this is hard to get off with these baby wipes. I will pause the video and I will let my mom go grab me the Clorox, the unbranded Clorox wipes. I will be right back. Okay, so welcome back, everybody. My dad is running out to the car right now. Um, so um, so I can clean off the rest of the motor. So just hang on tight. Um, he'll be back in a few seconds or so. Are you still grabbing the wipes? Oh, can you bring them over? Please.
Outdoor exploring? That's an oh please moment. Stay protected this summer with 20% off your first G
Alright, I got the wipes. They're from Dollar General. So let me pull out one if I can. If I can unhook one. Okay, there we go. Alright, now, yeah, that's doing a lot better. Yeah, that's a lot better now. It looks a lot better now. Dumb. Let's see if I can get the rest of the stuck on grime. So, so I did get off the rest of the dirt and grime off of the front of the motor, but sadly I couldn't get off the rest of the stuck on like dust and dirt. There's some left, but I couldn't get off the rest, sadly. So next I will be cleaning the cabinet. And I believe the old owner who owned this van, I believe they actually used this in a window because there's some rust in the cabinet also that I didn't notice. So I'm getting the rest of the grime off of the cabinet. Maybe I should take up the stand next so I can lay it flat on the ground. Let's see if I can get these nuts off so I can. Oh, here we go. Okay, that's off. Okay, let me set that in my magnetic bowl. Now let's see if I can get the other man, this is, yeah, this other nut is very hard to get off, so I can wipe off the rest of the cabinet on the inside